name is Yusamad Garcia, and today I will be talking to you about how to prevent athletic injuries. I'm sure most of you today have played a sport before, or at least know one who still does. Possibly you may have wished you knew these subjects while you were playing, or maybe you can relay it to a friend. First, let's talk about how warm-up prevents athletic injury. A warm-up is a session which takes place prior to doing physical activity. Most warm-up sessions include a combination of cardiovascular exercise, stretching drills, and strengthening drills. The cardiovascular exercise are designed to gently prepare your body for exercise by slowly increasing your heart rate and its circulation, loosening the joints, and increasing blood flow to the muscles. Most warm-up sessions should last between 20 to 30 minutes, giving the body plenty of time to gradually prepare for a physical activity or to prepare themselves mentally. Although this has not been statistically proven, in the web Sports Medicine Information, it states that warming up has 3 key benefits. 3 in which I will discuss today. First, it increases body temperature, which improves muscle flexibility, which is a key factor in reducing the likelihood of muscle pulls and strains. Second, dilation of blood vessels. Dilated blood vessels allow more blood flow to reach the muscle more easily. 3, higher blood temperature. As the blood travels through the muscle, its temperature rises. When the blood is warm, it can carry out more oxygen, meaning by raising the blood temperature, more oxygen can be made available to the muscle. Now that we have talked about how the prevention of warm-ups has on athletic injury, now we are going to talk about wearing the protective gear. Protective gear is a major role in maintaining the safety of athletes participating in sports such as soccer, football, hockey, etc. The source, the National Operation Committee on Standards for Athletic Equipment, was created in 1969 to help reduce the rate of serious injuries in football by introducing helmets. Now they have been certified for soccer and other sports. First, helmets. The use of helmets can lower the risk of athletes to experience traumatic injuries such as skull and facial fractures. However, the ability to reduce the risk of concussion is not well understood. To gain the full protective benefits of a helmet, the equipment must be fitted properly and securely. Most football players use helmets because they have head-on collisions. Using a helmet equals the prevention of injuries. Secondly, eye protection. In some sports that do not require helmets, eye protection is recommended to prevent eye injury. Up to 90% of eye injuries are prevented with proper equipment. As for swimmers, they use eyewear to be able to see when diving into the water. Third, shin guards, which I have here. Shin guards are designed to protect the shin. When soccer players use tackles, leg-on-leg contact, these shin guards prevent the injuries. Now that we have discussed warming up and protective gear, let's discuss the third way you can prevent athletic injury, which is a foam roller, which I have here. For those of you who don't know what a foam roller is, a foam roller is a simple self-manual therapy technique often used to improve flexibility, recovery, and athletic performance. For example, think of a foam roller like making a pizza. The roller is the foam roller. The dough is your muscle. You roll the dough out to make it loose as you can. Same concept as your muscle. In the source, the physical therapy advisor, it states that studies have confirmed that foam rolling can reduce the fact of prevention. Using a foam roller should last between 10 to 20 minutes to perform self-myofascial release. They restore the structural injury necessary for optimal performance, massaging overactive soft tissue that will reduce any inflammation in your muscle and facial system, or that surrounds your muscle so they can move better or more naturally. In conclusion, playing sports is a lot of fun, but getting hurt is not. So before you take a few minutes to warm up, make sure you have the proper attire. Preparing for a game holds a lot of value towards your future health. Now, whether you decide to hold this information highly above, it's up to you. Just remember, it's a pre-decision that will benefit you. Look good, you have the proper attire. Feel good, loosen your muscle. Play good, overall performance. Look good, feel good, play good. Thank you.